devil's ashes live under my nails. With the hope, believe in humanity. Whisper and drink, strangers look down on me. Fallen angel at his eye.
It is a compelling spectacle as they go blow for blow against defenses, with first one apparently taking the upper hand and then the other in responding. These two football greats have left a legacy for time and time to come. Before analyzing their individual numbers, it is worth looking at team achievements in the past season. While Messi fired Barcelona to La Liga title, the Copa del Rey and Spanish Supercopa glory, and missed a crucial penalty for Argentina as they suffered another Copa America defeat in the hands of Chile in the summer. His team were also eliminated in the Champions League quarter-final stage by Atletico Madrid. By contrast, Ronaldo was decisive from the 12 yards as Real Madrid won the Champions League via a penalty shootout. He was a key member of the Portuguese squad as they won the Euro 2016, their first major title. As one might expect, the individual numbers for both players are eye-watering. 10 Ballon d'Ors, hundreds of goals, hundreds of individual awards have been won between both players. However, a thin line separates these two players who will certainly go down in the record books as the best at what they did. Two players that can change a game in a second, two players whose absence significantly show loopholes in their respective teams, players who are uniquely gifted and extraordinary football talents. Not surprising, the debate has continued to rage on and is not likely to die down soon.
They are all good players, in short. In fact, to me, it's not because of the club I support, because of the way they play in the pitch. I prefer Lionel Messi. I prefer Lionel Messi because he has all the quality. It's a creativity. He creates goals and he scores a goal.
Messi is the best. He's dedicated. He has passion more than Ronaldo, and he's kind of person that is very calm. He doesn't play rough. Messi is the best.
Both of them are very good players, but my own preferred choice is Ronaldo. The reason is that Ronaldo have met with different challenges from different countries and different clubs, and most especially he has played in England, in which most people knows that England is highly competitive, very difficult to play. Before you can shine, you have to move out to Spain or wherever. But Ronaldo shine in England. He played, he scored goals, and with injury he still play. And the most important part of it is that he collected world best, in which no player have ever experienced in England. So he moved out of England, he went to Spain, he shine also. Before Messi can prove us as a good player, let him also move out to different places and let's see what will happen.
I actually like both of them, but sincerely I like Messi because of the way he tackles and the way he does his things on the match. And sometimes his legs always like computer, and when he dribbles people, they're like, oh, this is really, really nice and everything. And Ronaldo too is very, very good, but sincerely in my heart I feel that Messi, I prefer Messi. Though Ronaldo has won Player of the Year most of the time, think more than Messi now, but
Messi is the better option, because what Madrid did here for yesterday is an unbelievable match, and I can't think what Messi played that day for yesterday. I don't think if Ronaldo can even play like that, because we know that Neymar is the man of the match, but the way Messi played, man, is very, very amazing. I'm not a Barcelona fan, I'm a Man U fan, but I love what Messi played, and I really know that Messi is the best more than Ronaldo. Thank you.
I prefer Cristiano Ronaldo.
Why do you prefer Ronaldo?
Due to, let me see, the way they play, to me, I fancy Ronaldo. Because I like his type of the style, the way he play, more than Messi. Because everybody always say baka. To me, I believe Real Madrid is the best to my own. Because a team that pack all stars cannot compare them to a team that play Leicester Stars. So that's why I prefer see Ronaldo to Messi.
No, Cristiano Ronaldo.
You prefer Ronaldo?
Yes, sir.
Why do you prefer Ronaldo?
Because you know how to use the two leg.
You know how to use the two legs?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much. What?
Emmanuel. Yes, sir.
Emmanuel, what club do you support?
Man U.
You support Man U?
Yes, sir.
Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi, who is the better player?
Lionel Messi.
Why do you prefer Lionel Messi?
Because he can dribble.
He can dribble.
Yes,
very
sir.
well.
Yes, sir.
That's why you prefer Lionel Messi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Lionel Messi.
Why do you prefer Lionel Messi?
He has vision for the ball.
He has vision with the ball. Say that again.
He has vision for the ball.
Vision for the ball. Is that just why you prefer Lionel Messi?
No, I'm so good in ball.
It is difficult to select one amongst many, or just like in Greek, you platypus or num. But these giants in the world of football. The rivalry between Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo is not one that can be exhausted at a go. In fact, as we speak, both players have continued to set records which may take some effort to break.